Hi guys, today I received this over-the countertop reverse osmosis filtration system for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice. We have in here the instruction manual with all the important information that we need to know about this unit, all the operating instructions and everything. And as you can see in the main display, we have 8 different options to choose of the temperature for our beverage, which I think that it's really nice. Depending on what kind of beverage we want, we have a lock function so the child don't use it, and we can select a different volume in ounces to choose. And as you can see, once that we select the temperature, get the lock on, we can start pouring our water. We have a ounces meter showing us how many ounces we have poured in, and as you can see, it's really simple to use. You just have to have the water in the tank and it's ready. That way we can prepare different kinds of beverages and have it at our desired temperature, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I like a lot, and I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.